Hey guys, welcome back to my page, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my page Love P Beauty, subscribe to my YouTube channel Love P Beauty, share this video and like, please guys, follow my page. Okay guys, I will show you guys how I fix this frontal, how I fix it on the cap. This is not how I fix it on my head. This is on the cap. Okay, before you put it on your head, you have to fix it first. Especially this lace frontal is a very difficult thing to do. Okay guys, you have to be, it's not what you just learn once and know how to do it. No, you have to be doing it always. You have to be facing it always. Even though you have a cap, you have two frontal, if you face it this month, it's really good for you. Lose it and face it again. Okay guys, you have to measure you measure your frontal. This frontal is 13 by 4. You measure your head, and before putting on the cap, before sewing it on the cap, you measure your forehead, your head 4. That one is good. And for the frontal, for the 13, you have to measure 8, 12, 11 or 12. Okay guys, because 13, that's 13 by 4. The 13 is too big on you. If not, if you put the 13 like that, exactly like that, it's going to be too big. You have to measure it first. Measure it 12 or 11. That's how I measure mine, so that it will be exactly on my corner of my ear. It will be exactly that place, so that it will not be it will not be too go the back. Yes, you have to measure it 12 or 11. You remove a little bit from here and you remove a little bit from the other side. That is how you will make it. After that, you can fix it guys, especially that lace frontal is a little difficult to fix. Thank you guys. Please follow my page, like and share this video. Love you all. Bye bye.